Welcome back, everyone. So, my 2021 CC Morgan dollars just got in, so I'm going to be unboxing them and reviewing them. Let's go. Alright, so I was able to snag 2 of these at launch, and so I'm going to be giving my thoughts on both of them. I have 2 here because I want to see the differences between them, how consistent they are, how good they are. So, unboxing it, we have a nice metallic finish on the front, United States Mint, 2021 Morgan Dollar Carson City. And then for each different mint, it says its name here. So we have San Francisco, Denver, Philadelphia, Carson City, and New Orleans. Now, opening them up, on the front, we have the US Mint's logo in black. It's hard to see, but it's there. And I don't really like this. It's hard to see even in person. And the camera just makes it even worse. So yeah, that's that. But when we open it up, let's take a look at what we see. So we have a COA. Let's take a look at this. And then right there is the coin. I'm not going to show that yet. It says the denomination, the composition, all of that, and then a little description there. And on the back, we have a printout of the director of the Mint's signature. Now, for the coin, let's take a look. Once you take the COA off, here is the coin. So there's a little notch on the side there that you could just grab it out of. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And one thing that is apparent to me that I saw Silver Seeker said in his video is the lack of luster. Morgan dollars are known for their cartwheel luster. You know what? Let me go grab one and I'll be right back. Alright, so I couldn't actually get good footage of cartwheel luster, so I found this on YouTube. Credit goes to Spokane Silver Stacker for it. Notice the hourglass-shaped light going around the coin as it's being rotated. This is what Morgan dollars are known for. So here we have the first coin, and these coins are not perfect when you look at them under a scope. The first flaw I've noticed is over here, that bit there and all of this. This is smudging on the coin. It is not on the case, it's on the coin itself. If you look at it in person, it's actually a brown color, and it does not look good. So that's the first thing I wanted to point out. Overall, it's good, it's in good shape. However, there are issues with the coin. For example, if you look around, the finish isn't perfect, but it's not terrible. Now, I don't personally see any issues with the reverse of this coin, so that's pretty good. So now we're going to move on to the second coin. So on the reverse of the coin, you can actually see some machine doubling over there on the B, on the I, but mainly the B. If you see that extra dark line, there's definitely machine doubling there. Also on this S, there's that little bit. So I believe that's machine doubling. If anyone else knows differently, again, I'm not great. And so take that with a grain of salt. But otherwise, this coin looks pretty decent. However, when I first looked at the coins, they did have hairline scratches on them. However, under the scope, I do not see those anymore. So either that was the really bright lighting I unboxed them in, or it's something else, but I really don't know. But overall, these coins are pretty good. Now, one thing I must say, these cases are not good. I advise against keeping them in these dinky little plastic cases that they provide. These are worth hundreds of dollars. Look at the resale market on eBay. These cases are not great capsules. And so I would recommend getting some third-party capsules and transferring them into those in a safe way. But overall, they're pretty nice coins. I'm glad I got them. I still have my Peace dollars and my San Franciscos on the way, so I'm very excited about that. So expect to see a video on those in the near future. However, that's all from me. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a like would be much appreciated. Of course, subscribe if you're new. And that's about it for me. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.